Today, we will be doing a ContentGenie review and demo walkthrough. ContentGenie is the world's first, and only, Siri-style content creation and social media management solution. ContentGenie is the fastest content creation tool for your website and social media. Use ContentGenie to create 100% original content, using the same technology implemented by Siri, the Apple's AI assistant, and publish across multiple social media platforms and websites. Before we get started with the ContentGenie review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the ContentGenie review and demo walkthrough.
Welcome to the demo video of ContentGenie. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you all the awesome powers of ContentGenie and how you can use it to create high-quality content for your social media and blog posts. ContentGenie was built using the same technology implemented by Siri, Apple's AI assistant. All you have to do is put in the keyword or phrase, and ContentGenie will generate 100% original content for you within a few seconds. Next, you have to decide if you want to post this content on social media or WordPress. Let's go with social media. You can now customize your content, add campaign name and images. You can also generate related hashtags for more traffic. After customizing, you have to select which social media platform you want to publish to. ContentGenie automatically publishes to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. For Facebook, you can publish directly to all the pages and groups you manage. Next, you have to select if you want to publish your content instantly, schedule it for later, or save it as a draft. Within a few seconds, ContentGenie is going to publish your post to all your social media platforms instantly. Now let's head to Twitter to see the published post. Awesome! Let's head to LinkedIn too. Awesome! Let's head over to Facebook. Really awesome tool, right? Let me also show you how easy it is to post to blogs and Medium. After creating your content, you just have to select the Create Medium/WordPress Content button. You can now customize your content, add campaign name and images. Next, you have to select the WordPress and Medium accounts you want to publish to. You can select multiple categories that you created inside your WordPress account and add your featured image. Next, you need to select if you want to publish your content now, schedule it for later, or save it as a draft. And within a few seconds, your content is going to be published to your WordPress blog and your Medium. Now let's head to WordPress to see the published post. Awesome! Let's head to Medium too. Unbelievable! Hold on, I'm not even done yet. Apart from the Content AI tool, which allows you to create original content just like Siri, Apple's AI assistant, ContentGenie also comes with other tools that lets you create traffic-pulling, engaging content. First, we have the Video Discovery tool. It allows you to find the most trending videos on YouTube, transcribe them, and use this transcribe for your social media post or blog posts. You can either search for trending videos using keywords or by entering your YouTube video link. Next, we have the Speech AI tool. The tool allows you to convert live speech into text for your social media or blog post. All you have to do is click on the Start button and start talking. This AI is going to transcribe your speech immediately to text. How awesome is this? Once you're done, you just click on the End button and then click on Use Content to select if you want to use the content for social media or WordPress blog. Next, we have the Article Discovery tool. This tool allows you to find the most viral articles using any keyword and entering your article link. You can now use these articles for your social media post or your blog post. Next, we have the eBook Discovery. This tool allows you to convert the content of any ebook to social media posts or blog posts. Next, we have the Quote Discovery. This tool allows you to find the most viral quote using a keyboard. Believe me, no other content creation and social media management platform comes with all the tools we built inside ContentGenie, and I'm still not done. You can check out the full analytics of all your published posts. This analytics shows you all the likes, shares, comments, and impressions of all your social media and blog posts. You also have a content planner tool that helps you plan all your contents for the next 5 years. ContentGenie also comes with Pro AI tools that helps you create even better contents easily. The plagiarism checker checks the plagiarism rate of any article, ebook, or text. The idea creator creates social media and blog post ideas for you using just a keyword. The email swipe writer creates high-quality emails for you, including welcome emails, cold emails, follow-up emails, confirmation and cancellation emails. The paraphrasing tool helps you to rewrite any article, ebook, or text using real artificial intelligence. The Content Expander tool lets you expand any keyword or phrase to usable content. The Grammar Checker helps you check the correctness of grammar and spelling in any article, ebook, or text. The Content Summarizer lets you summarize the content of any article, ebook, or text. The Multi-Language Translator lets you translate the content of any article, ebook, or text to more than 30 languages. ContentGenie also comes with a job finder tool that helps you find the most recent, high-paying jobs and clients. There's also a dedicated help section, which provides all the tutorial guides you need to use ContentGenie. No existing software has all the value, tools, and features that we built inside ContentGenie. We look forward to seeing you in the members area. Cheers!
Thank you for watching this ContentGenie review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about ContentGenie, click the link in the description below.